is a current, past, just wrapped up baker.
Yeah, I'm wrapping up.
Yeah, right around there.
Yeah.
So where were you before you joined?
I mean, so I think I told you this. I did a coaching program prior to, and then I did the bakery. And so I was kind of in this, I was learning, but I felt like I really needed more. And there was
Yeah.
something about you. Well, a friend of mine, Margaret, who you know,
Yes.
Margaret was in the bakery and she's like, you got to do the rolling in the dough. You got to do it. So I did it. And there was just something about you, um, your candor, your candidness, um, your accessibility.
Mhm.
There was just something that like really made me want to join.
Mhm.
So to answer your question though, where was I? I was sort of a hot mess. I mean, aren't I always a hot mess? Like I was like, I'm like all over the
Join the
place.
club,
But
honey.
yeah, but I felt like I needed more and I really needed community. Like
Mhm.
that is what I really needed. And when I tell you I got that and then some from the bakery, like I the community in the bakery is amazing. It is so helpful. Like you and Debbie and Hallie and then all the other bakers. People
Mhm.
are so supportive. They answer your questions. You post things on the Instagram, the Facebook group, and you get an answer, within like a few minutes from at least one person. And
Mhm.
then of course Debbie comes in and she gives you her like powerhouse answer. And I
Yes.
just wish she lived here.
Everybody needs
Um,
Debbie in her pocket.
oh my God, I so need a Debbie. But it's just been, so it's helped me feel more confident, I would say,
Mhm.
and helped me in my processes, and really just helped me build community, I guess, online and with other
Yeah.
designers and with people who are in my same phase, some who are a little ahead, some are who are behind. It helps to listen to other people's problems too, right? Like other people's struggles because
Yeah.
you have to, and so it's also helpful to be helpful. There's just so many good aspects to it.
Well, thank you. So, from a business standpoint, do you feel like is your business running you or are you running your business today?
So I'm definitely running my business more.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still, as you know, for all of you on here, I am known for the crappy client. And unfortunately, these crappy clients have like lived on. I mean,
Yes.
I just did a photo shoot yesterday and I've been working with these people for almost 2 years. So that being said, I'm cleaning out, like I'm cleaning shop, but it's taking a while.
Mm-hmm.
But the bakery has given me confidence and has given me the kind of like the word choice, and like the words to really
Yeah.
to tell people and tell my clients like this is how I work. Basically, if you don't like it, like that's okay, but this is my process.
Absolutely. And I think a lot of like, let me see if I can, what I hear is kind of like, we all kind of know instinctually what we do, but to give it to the client and put it in words and have a process allows a different level of enjoyment from a business versus just making things pretty and not knowing what comes next.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, it's true.
Mm-hmm.
And the resources, I would say another thing about the bakery, I'm not sure if all of you on here know this, but the coaching every week, the Wednesday calls are completely invaluable. Like you, Michelle, have introduced me and us to
Mm-hmm.
so many people in the design industry and in the even like the greater creative industry,
Yeah.
that I would have never met, known, learned from. And so not only are you getting like design expertise, but you're also getting marketing expertise and you're getting mindset expertise and you're getting, Renee Beery with the construction expertise and you're getting Rachel Johansson with like the branding expertise. You're getting all of this stuff in addition to design processes and support.
Yeah. It's like buy one, get 17 free.
And it also builds community, right? Because we're
Yes.
together every Wednesday.
Mm-hmm. So how have you recouped your investment over the past year?
Oh, I recouped it in like the first month or two.
Did you?
Yeah, because I think I had a potential client, and you guys were all help, like, the group was helping me how to price it.
Mm-hmm.
And I ended up, yeah, I got my biggest design fee that I had yet.
Oh, that's awesome. Good, good,
Yeah.
good, 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 good.
Yeah.
And how does it feel today? Like a year, like as you're wrapping up the bakery, has 12 months been enough? Do you understand why it was 12 months? And how do you feel? Like, how do you feel?
Feel really good. I still struggle with pricing, but I think that we all will, because, as you increase, so I was always one of like abundance, like tons of clients, but that's stressful, right? So I really want to work smarter, not harder.
Yeah.
So as I increase my pricing, it's definitely stressful. I am
Mhm.
definitely getting no's, but the meet and greet is like gold.
Right? Yeah.
Yes. And so that has been really helpful. I think 12 months is good, um, because of all the other coaching, right? Like, some people master the processes easily,
Right.
and maybe they get that in the first few months, but then you also have all this support for 12 months.
Yeah. It's crazy
Yeah. So
because you
it's,
might hear something on a call this upcoming Wednesday and you don't actually come across it for another few months. You already know how to handle it.
and I still come on the calls and have questions about these ridiculous
Yeah.
clients,
Girl, you've had a year with clients.
Ah,
You've had a year.
bed bugs came back, by the way.
Oh, Lord. They never go
Yeah.
away. Burn it down. Oh my gosh. What would you say to, okay, so let me ask you this. When you went through the rolling in the dough and you were presented with the opportunity to join the bakery, what was your first instinct?
I mean, at first I was like, wow, it's a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, you hear that you should invest in coaching, like everyone should invest in coaching.
Mm-hmm.
So I had not invested like that year. And I
Right.
was like, you know what? This is my chance. And I do research. Like, I'm a big researcher. And I also trust my gut. And so there was something about like the rolling in the dough and your personality and everything that you were presenting that just made me want to be part of it. And I had a referral from a friend who really loved it.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
And you had gone through another coaching program,
Yeah.
and found that you still needed
So
more.
I, yes. So I really needed community.
Good.
Like,
Yeah.
I also, and I got some of what you taught in that program as well.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but it's like I needed questions answered. The program was much shorter. There wasn't as much like, I keep saying community, but even like support. I think
Yeah.
it was just like support in implementation,
Mm-hmm.
that I wasn't getting, because it was similar to yours in terms of like process,
Right.
but it's the support that was really missing. And I think the length of time that you provide is
Mm-hmm.
so important and invaluable, really, because it gives us the opportunity to like work on it, absorb it,
Mm-hmm.
understand it, ask questions, not get shut out.
Well, thank you. I mean, that's invaluable feedback for us as well. So I
Yeah.
always learn something on the calls. Uh, Ilana, what would you say to anybody on the fence, ready to jump, not quite ready to make the investment?
I would say if you can do it from a financial perspective, I
Mhm.
would do it, because I think that you you won't have regrets. Let's put it that way. And if you want to increase your business and even increase your knowledge, like my dad always said, you can't take away education, right?
Mhm.
If you want to educate yourself from an interior design business perspective, this is so helpful. And so you're investing not only in your business, but you're investing in yourself. And
Yeah.
so I think if you can, not everyone can afford it, right? So you have to think about that. But if you can, I would suggest doing it, because you will not regret it. And I think you will jumpstart your business.
Yeah. And if you can't afford it right now, y'all just save. We've had individuals who, we've, yeah, we've had individuals who have just stashed some money and then intentionally came back to invest in themselves. So thank you, Ilana, for being here.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for
Big
having
hugs,
me.
big hugs. Thank you so
Yes.